Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kadang shim ya karai na kebentaban pynieng kyrtong haka ne ke election shiteng samoy Bye Election Gambegre constituency. Ngin mi banya aireng haka ne ke election shiteng samoy na Gambegre assembly seat ong unong yalam ka BJP ubadeiru menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba AL bakran Syllad pathai kubor haka khatsan terik naitung. Henry watla kata ula ong baka party kam shim la shim ya karai halor ka jingjit ya ki kyrtong na kebenta ke ne ke election. Ngamla banya thu hapi namar ngimpat yok pediang ya ki nong tap kyrteng. Henry mare yok pediang ya ki nong tap kyrteng ngin sajit ya ki kyrtong hi babiang tam ula benram. Habakeli la ka BJP kan don neem ya ke jingkermen namar ka NPP kan pynieng da ka kurium jong menteri rang ba ka jela ha ka ne ke election ka banwan u ba ula ong ka election ka dehi ka election ngin hab banya kun persya ya ka jingele ka bajuat bha tang ka tahi ngatem nalor ka tau ba ula ong ru ka BJP ka dehi ka national party ban ngin mi banya kun ya ka ne ka election bat ka kabu ka syong ba hadu ka nongot ki kyrtong ki bathep kyrteng menta kadang kloi palat ban kren halor ka ne ka phang halor ka jingkeli ba ka kongres ka lanang yo bor hapo rilum garu uba ula ong ngatip tang syapang ke BJP bat ngamla ban kren AA ha ka bayde bat ki way pat ki party sign perthai.
Told the party meeting that day when Honorable George Kurienji also came, and also now we have the in charge of Meghalaya BJP also, Anil Anthony. So I had called him also, but he was busy for the visit of our Honorable Union Health Minister JP Naddaji to Kerala. He said that he is going to Kerala. After that, he'll get back to me. So since I was not here also, I just came yesterday only from Madurai. I went to Tamil Nadu for the World Fishery Day. So I'm not in touch with him. But Gambegre, the Bye Election, we are going to contest. The election is election. All the time is the tough fight only. Election, we have to fight. For any tough fight, you have to fight. That's all only I know. Yeah. I don't have to say for any other political parties. I know only BJP. We have anything you ask for BJP, I can reply you. But if you ask me for any other political parties, I will not be able to reply. The chances the BJP is a national party and we are going to fight this election. And the chances is depend also on the how many candidates who applied for. Now it's too early to come to conclusion because we have not yet notified also no election. Once there will be notified, then only we will be able to understand. Let's wait for notification. Not yet decided. This one though I cannot tell you which are the candidate because we have not received even the applicants now. Once we get the application, then definitely will be zeroed down to the best candidate. So far, I have not received. We have not seen any application.